All right, let's go ahead and get our daily direction analysis out of the way here. As soon as we open up the charts, we see everything's going sideways. Has been ever since that day. Really jumped up real strong here on the NVIDIA news, and it's been chopping around. Now, on a choppy sideways market, here you can see the hourly chart. You should know by now that it's any man's guess because price can easily, for no reason, just jump down here and take out all the liquidity down here before going up, or it could spike up like it did over here before going back down. So, we have to stay loose in this and just really follow almost the intraday internal patterns that we see. So here's a fair value gap. I think this is on the 5-minute chart right here as we enter into the silver bullet moment. That looks like that 5-minute gap, 15-minute fair value gap right there. It looks pretty good. And but the selling fair value gaps on the 15 have been ignored. This one actually worked, but reversed. And then these fair value gaps down here on the 15-minute chart look like it was held up pretty good. So we got some reason to believe, you know. But then again, at the top level here, and then you can expect that on a choppy market, that as soon as they start going good in one direction, they reverse, and now this fair value gap up here at the top had been violated right there. So as we enter into the silver bullet moment, we'll have to see if we even get a setup. All right, so that's our analysis, staying lucid and open to the direction and being willing to take trade setups on a lower time chart in the direction that it's presenting. And I would say we need at least some congruence between some of the time charts. Don't just take a 15-second or 1-minute trade because it looks good on the 1-minute chart. But if we can line it up with the 15-minute chart on a day like this, since the hourly and upper time charts are just sideways and choppy, we'll use the 15-minute time chart here to give us some idea of where we think it's going to go. All right, because it is looking the strongest and the most reliable. But if we get the 5-minute and the 1-minute or even the 15-second chart to line up with that, then we have a trade during the silver bullet moment. All right, so we'll just have to wait.